Okay, gang, today we're going to talk about covering a treated 4x4 post with a Railing Dynamics solid vinyl post cover. It's a great way to inexpensively cover up a treated post for your deck after you've got done with the structure. The problem with them is they go together a little bit difficult under any circumstances, no matter what you try. And I've tried quite a few different attempts with different tools and such, and I think we've found the best way to do it. So step number one would be to take the piece. They actually have a groove and a tongue, and they have splines on them, so when they fit together, the one piece slides into the other. What I do is take and put it on the post, one half, start the other piece, and slide the tongue into the groove with the spline. Work my way up. Now this is the easy part, so don't get too excited here. So there's half of the wrap, but again, that's the easy part. And I'll leave that on there. So here's the outside piece. I'm going to put the tongue into the groove. You feel it start to snap together. And I do this on a separate post because this one would get in the way of the one on the inside of the post you're doing. And when this is snapped together, we'll take it off, put it on the outside of the post that it's going on, and none of it's fighting each other at that point. So get my ladder. And just work our way up. So that piece is together now. Pop that off. Make sure you have the tongue and the spline going the proper way. This is where it starts to become difficult because you have to slide everything over this piece. And once you've got it partially on to where it's setting where you want it, now you can come down to the bottom and start to get your piece slipped together. Started, and that one started. So now what I've found to be the best way is this is what they call a frame clamp. Use it on cabinet frames, door frames. Works out very well for here. And once you start getting, you just want to get it started right now. You don't want to finish it up because this groove, this tongue needs to slide into this groove. Same thing on the other side, all the way up. And it's kind of trying to fight itself as you're coming up with it. So you just want to get it started, move up all the way till you're at the top and it's all set in place. Then when on the way down, you can clamp it in the permanent position as tight as you can get. My ladder. And I'm moving up about a foot at a time. Just making sure that it is in on both sides, which it is. Again, you don't need to go any more than a foot. You're just trying to make sure that you hit everything seated in the right position. And now we're finally in and together everywhere. All four pieces make a solid column. And now it's just kind of floating loose on the 4x4. And we don't want that. We don't want any play in it. So now we're going to start right at the top where we are. Take the corner clamp and cinch it down as tight as it'll go. Go down a foot, same thing, down a foot, same thing until we're at the bottom. And we have it as tight as it'll go. This little clamp is about $31 after tax. I tried every clamp that I own as a carpenter to do this. Very awkward. Nothing really worked. Was at the store the other day getting a few things. Saw this, picked it up. It's like a little miracle. Carpenters are always looking for a tool that helps save time. Time's money. This is my own house, but time's still important. So this little tool is worth every penny. And now we're down. We unhook the lanyard, and we have a finished 4x4 post ready for railings. However you want to finish it out. There's a bottom piece that trims around this, real nice colonial piece of baseboard that slips around it. Those aren't going on right now because this deck's going to get restained, but there you have it. Nice simple way to cover a really ugly 4x4 post with brand new vinyl. $39.95. Menards carries them in stock. Great little project. Great little tool. This and this together, piece of cake. Thanks for watching.